So in this video I want to show you how to connect WACOM One with your PC or laptop. To do this, first you will need to grab a cable that's included with the package and connect it to the power source. I have mine connected, and also you can notice that this cable comes with a few different endings. I will show them. So this ending needs to connect with the Wacom tablet, and two other endings need to connect with your laptop or PC. And let me connect those with my PC. Okay, so they are connected, and now we can take this small cable USB-C and connect it with the tablet. Okay, so your tablet should spring to life, and the next thing we should do is open a Wacom website and go to the download. You can also enter wacom.com/download and then install the Windows drivers. It should look like this. Confirm the download. Okay, so the installation is complete, and now we can restart our PC or restart it later. In this case I'm gonna go with restart now, and I recommend for you to do the same thing. Okay, so the reset is finished. Now, right after you launched your PC, you will see the Wacom Center, and here you'll be able to customize and adjust the settings for your device. And I will show you that in my later videos. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.